First, ensure the S22i is properly plugged into a functioning power outlet. Try a different outlet to rule out electrical issues. Check the power cord for any damage or loose connections. Examine the electrical adapter for proper connections. Locate the power switch on the machine, usually near the base, and ensure it's in the on position. Wait a few seconds after powering on to see if the screen initializes. This is the first and simplest reset method to try. Locate the power button on the S22i console. With the machine powered on, press and hold the power button for 20 to 30 seconds. After holding the button, release it and wait a few moments. Then, press the power button again to turn the machine back on. Overheating can sometimes cause the screen to malfunction on your S22i console. To prevent this, ensure the S22i is placed in a well-ventilated area. Make sure the console's vents are not blocked by anything and remain clear. Allow the machine to cool down completely for an extended period, such as several hours, before attempting to power it on again. Overheating affects electronic components by causing them to burn, melt, or fail, which can lead to screen malfunctions. Here's an example of overheating hazards on a circuit board, and this shows a blown component with potential sparks from overheating. If your NordicTrack S22i console screen allows navigation and isn't displaying a black screen, you can attempt a factory reset as a last resort. This will erase all personal data and settings from the console. Navigate to the Settings menu on your console. This is typically the second option in the main menu. From Settings, select General to access system-wide options. In General Settings, locate and select the Reset option. From the Reset menu, select Factory Data Reset. This is the option that will restore your console to its original factory settings. A confirmation screen will appear warning you about the data loss. This reset will erase all personal data and settings from the console, including user profiles, workout history, and custom settings. If you choose to proceed, select Confirm Reset. The console will begin the reset process, which may take several minutes to complete. For reference, factory reset processes on other devices like PlayStation, Xbox, and mobile phones follow similar patterns with warnings about data loss. Always back up important data before proceeding. After the reset completes, your NordicTrack S22i will return to its original factory state. You'll need to set it up again as if it were new. If the screen remains black and you cannot navigate to perform this reset, contact NordicTrack support for assistance. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps have resolved the black screen on your S22i console, it's time to contact NordicTrack support directly. Before calling, make sure you have your treadmill serial number and purchase date ready, as the support team will need this information. Visit the official NordicTrack website at NordicTrack.com. Navigate to the support section to find contact information for their customer service team. Here are the contact details for NordicTrack support. You can call their sales and service line during business hours or use the live chat option for immediate assistance. Be prepared to explain all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. Your treadmill's serial number can usually be found on a label inside the motor hood or in the user manual. Have this information ready when you contact support, along with your purchase date. When you speak with support, clearly describe the black screen issue and all the steps you've tried. A technician may be able to offer additional solutions or arrange for service. Remember, NordicTrack provides comprehensive support for their equipment. We hope this guide has helped resolve your S22i console black screen issue. If the problem continues, NordicTrack's support team is there to assist you further.